Hey there, Matrix family. Travis from the Matrix Global team here, and are you ready to talk about the latest and greatest? Instacure Build-A-Bond. Build-A-Bond is our new hair care range from Matrix that helps to fight damage with 1 billion bonds in every bottle. So what does that mean exactly? If we want to get technical, Build-A-Bond reforms the hydrogen bond matrix, leaving the hair stronger than before, while simultaneously softening and smoothing the outside, which provides 8 times stronger hair and a revived hair feel in just one use. Now that we know what Build-A-Bond does, let's talk about who it's for. Build-A-Bond is ideal for folks with mega damaged hair, including damage from over-processed bleach, other chemical treatments, and aggressive styling. All of these things can leave the hair looking very porous and sensitized, and without body and lift. But here's the best part. Instacure Build-A-Bond is great for all hair types and textures. And if there's damage, Matrix has you covered. Okay, so how does Build-A-Bond compare with the original formula? Original Instacure is more for hair with mild to medium damage. This hair may appear to have a few split ends and be a bit dull. Great for folks who might also do subtle color services and occasionally use heat tools. Here's the easiest way to remember it. Build-A-Bond is for mega damage. Original Instacure is for mild to medium damage. Now let's get into the technology of it all. Because Build-A-Bond is pH balanced to be acidic at an optimal level, it mimics the natural pH of healthy hair, making it ideal for damaged hair. Plus, all of our Build-A-Bond formulas are infused with a power couple ingredients. Have you heard of squalene? It's a protective agent known to soften and smooth the hair on the outside, and citric acid, a penetrative bonding agent known to strengthen the hair from the inside with continued use. Together, these two ingredients make some serious bond building and moisturizing magic. So you know who Build-A-Bond is for, you know what it does. Now it's time to talk specific products. In this range, we have our Mighty Bonds shampoo, the Mighty Care conditioner, the Instant Revival liquid mask, and the Super Sealing leave-in balm.
And the star of our show is the Instant Revival liquid mask. This amazing repairing mask absorbs instantly with serum-like texture. The hair is left 94% smoother and much easier to detangle. Perfect for all damaged hair types.
With the shampoo, mask, and leave-in, you're looking at 94% more conditioned and 84% stronger hair with restored manageability and shine, and a reduced appearance of split ends. I mean, who doesn't want that? Okay, I know what you're thinking. When is the best time to use Instacure Build-A-Bond? Build-A-Bond is better suited to use after highlights, balayage, and on-scalp lightener, and right before toning. Then it can be used regularly at home and in between salon visits. For those looking for something to pre-treat the hair before a salon chemical treatment, Instacure Porosity Filling Spray is the way to go. Many people ask if it's okay to alternate Build-A-Bond with other Matrix hair care ranges. Of course! We've designed Matrix hair care ranges to be used as needed and to address specific hair needs. Just keep in mind that for the best bonding benefit, we recommend Build-A-Bond on a regular basis. So that's the scoop with Instacure Build-A-Bond. Instant bond repair for mega damage. A bond-tastic choice for all hair types. Billion bond care for billion-dollar hair.